Hindi kinababahala ni Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. ang ikinakasang large-scale protest ng ilang grupo sa November 30. Ayon kay Pangulong Marcos Jr., kung meron man siyang inaalala, yan ay ang mga individual na planong manggulo sa mapayapang kilos protesta ng publiko. Pagkukumpirma ng Pangulo, kilala naman nila ang mga tao o individual na nasa likod nito, na patuloy din nilang binabantayan.
Because we know the reasons for this. The reasons is the outrage for what we have been slowly or not so slowly discovering about some of these projects that were egregious in implementation and shameless in, I don't know what you want to call it, in dishonesty and abuse. The only concern I have when we have demonstrations for whatever reason is that there are agitators who will go and try to cause trouble.